Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And I'm going to show you on the Chicco Fit2 where to find your latch connectors and how to remove them from the base. So the latch connectors are stored on both sides of the base, and the only way to get them out is to loosen the straps first. So right here on the front, there's an orange trigger and a dark strap. The orange trigger will let you loosen the straps. So lift it up. Pull on each connector strap to make it nice and loose. Now that they're loosened, you can go ahead and pull them out. So now you can use them for the install. Anytime you're not using the latch connectors, you want to make sure you put them back in the storage compartment because you don't want them swinging around everywhere. You're also going to tighten it and roll up the slack. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.